Hello everyone, this is Inti. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to gather information, gather news feed by using RSS. What is RSS? You can just Google it. Normally RSS is for gathering news feeds. For example, Google News is the best source of getting news. And if you want to get the news, share to other people or share to your bot, share to your Discord or Twitter. You come to Google News to gather information. But Google News is huge. There's so many different topics and different news. How are you going to do it? So today I'm going to teach you. Google News is not google.com. Normally people search something on google.com, but if you want to specific find a news, you just come to news.google.com. And after you open that URL, you're going to have a Google News. In Google News, there's a US news right here, topic, world news, local news, business news, technology. For example, if you have a political channel, you just want to share US news to other people, just click here. And then Google gonna give you a URL right here. So this URL, how we gonna convert it into a RSS feed? There's a lot of different kind of tools. For example, I recommend people to use rss.app. This tool have a free plan. They have a basic plan, developer plan, pro plan. I'm gonna leave a comment in the comment section of my videos or description if you want to use it. Today I'm gonna teach you one free way how to use it, how to get Google News RSS feed URL. If you just want to Google News every day, if you wanna have a different kind of news feed every day, I recommend you use the RSS feed. But today, let's back to a free plan. So in Google News, right here, we come to this URL. We find news.google.com / in this slash, we just put, after this slash, we put RSS, type it, then slash, and we click enter. So it convert this Google News feed US topic into a XML file. What we're gonna use this file, need share this news here. We just come to URL, copy this XML file, which is XML URL, come to our bot. So this bot, we click RSS, we search RSS right here, and watch RSS feed items. Where is this feed from? This feed from this URL, we just copied. And how many return items every time you want to get it? First time, let's just we see 1 or 2 or 3. Just choose whatever you want. Let's just choose 1 first. Okay, feed you want to get. You want to get feed from now on, or you want to get feed from specific date, or you want to get the feed before all the feed, or select the first RSS feed item. Let's just choose all RSS feed items. Okay, so what kind of data we have right now? We can right click this one, run this module only. Let's see, run it. See, already run successfully. Right here, we click the search button. There's a title, there's URL, there is a image, all kind of data already came to our bot. So in this bot, I wanna send this RSS feed news to my Discord. Yesterday, I already teach people how to use Discord bot. If you don't know, you just come to my front page and check this video. If you already know, awesome. Let's just follow. Come here, come to bot, and we click our Discord bot. What content you want to send? I want to send the RSS feed. In RSS feed, let's choose title, this data from here, and shift enter. We come to next. We come to next line. We choose URL. If you want to add more data, you can just add too, like other summary, description, whatever you want. There's a lot of data here. But today we just put title and URL. Just say, okay, see this URL feed and this Discord bot already finished. Right here, let's run once here. Already successfully send a message. Let's back to our Discord server to check it. This is US news. We already have a news title and a news link, and they have a preview of this news. This news is from here. And how to get Google News RSS feed URL? There's an article. It's very easy. If you want to learn more, just come to check this article. I'm gonna share this article in my server, Discord server. And you can find my Discord server link in the description section. So today, let's recap. We learned how to get RSS feed. Then we send RSS feed to Discord. After you run once everything successfully, you just schedule your bot intervals right here. And then turn this on. So your bot gonna up and running. If something wrong with your bot, just delete it or refresh this website and do it one more time. Sometimes this website have a caching. If caching have some problem, just delete it and then save it first. Then turn it on. This bot gonna run every time, every 15 minutes or every 1 hour. Depends your scheduling. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please find my Discord server or leave a comment in the comment section. See you in next video. Bye bye.